Do you know how much time students lose trying to juggle classes and commuting in life? Enough to binge watch an entire season of your favorite show twice. But what if learning didn't mean losing time? Meet Robust IT, your all-in-one e-learning platform. We bring the classroom to you. No commute, no hassle, just skills on demand. From AI and engineering to self-development and business, find your thing. Learn with engaging videos, live trainings, and interactive webinars. Practice with mock exams, earn professional certificates, and track your progress like a boss. Skip the chaos, choose your pace. And hey, we even throw in student discounts to keep your wallet happy. Save time, learn smart, and level up with Robust IT. Your skills, your future, your way.